You want to start making money on ClickBank but don't know how? Well, the first thing you need to do is Hi, my name is Kal Heaney and I create videos with strategies about how you can make money online. If you subscribe down below, I'll send you a notification every single time I make a new video so you don't miss out on anything. If you stay to the end of this video, I'll give you an extra bonus method that'll help you scale this into a larger business and help you quit that 9-to-5 job. Wouldn't that be nice? In this video, we're going to talk about ClickBank, how to make money with ClickBank, how it works, your promoting, and how to get repeat business, which is the big goal at the end of the day. If you want to bring in more money and scale our business. So, affiliate marketing, what is it? Affiliate marketing is when you promote somebody else's product and when it sells, you get a commission. It's the basics. So what you do is you sign up with a company and then like ClickBank and you become an affiliate of this. Then they'll give you a link which you then promote. When someone clicks on that link, you get a commission. Sometimes the commissions can be between 40 to 60%, depending on the company. I've even seen them go up as high as 80%. I know, it sounds crazy, right? But if you think about it, it's actually really good for the company. So what happens is, when somebody makes a product and they make the price, they include a certain amount of advertising into the price because they need to promote their products. But instead of spending that money on advertising, they give it to us as affiliates because we're promoting their product. We are advertising for them. So it's a win-win situation. They make money and we make money. So let's get into how ClickBank can make money for you. So the first thing we need to do is sign up with the company. This is how we can get our affiliate links, make sure we get paid. So what you need to do is click sign up over here. And you put in a few details and they'll give you an account with your own account name and everything you need. I've already done that, so I'm going to go straight over into the marketplace. So in the marketplace, you can see there's a whole bunch of different categories over here that you can choose from with different products. But what I need you to do is, we're going to make this easier for you in the future as well. We need to decide on a niche for you. So the main niches out there are health, wealth, and romance. With the wealth niche, it's stuff like make money online, stock markets, forex investing, these kind of things. You can see we have down here e-commerce, e-market. You can also look into education for finance, also software, these kind of things. If you want to look in for health, you go over here, you have health and fitness. This can be other dieting books, like how to make juices, how to make smoothies, how to do this 30-day ab workout diet, these kind of things. The romance, they don't have on here, but you do get websites that you can promote and you'll get a commission if somebody goes onto the website. So you need to do a little bit of research. You need to go into it and see what's working well, what's selling, what people are looking at now, what's trending. I'm going to make a separate video on this for you guys, but today we're just going to focus on ClickBank. So after you go into the marketplace, you're going to click on one of the niches on the side here. I clicked on health and fitness just to show you what they have to offer. As you can see here, there's the different products. This one's promoting for 154. It's called Proven, the biggest blockbuster of 2020. Another one of the niches that we spoke about before was finance. So here we clicked on business and investing. As you can see, here's the different products. Their range, this is 25, this is 145. There's a whole bunch of different products on here. Then what you can do is, what's a little bit of a secret for you guys is over here where it says sort by results. Normally it does by rank. I want you to click on gravity. Gravity means how well the product is selling. So this one has a gravity of 40. This one has a gravity of 24. Look, I wouldn't go with a product below the gravity of 30. This gives you a more chance of actually selling the product. What else you can do is over here, say, let's pick wood profits. Over here, let's say they have an affiliate page. So what we can do is we click on this site, which I have over here already. What this brings up to you is a whole bunch of tools that you can use when promoting their stuff. As you can see here, they have a promotion of other stuff that they're working with, Ted's Woodworking and Ultimate Small Shop. So for this one, you get a maximum total of $80 for every visitor you send to us. You earn up to 75% on the front end, plus 80% on 3 upsells. So what this means is for them, every customer you bring to them, they will give you $80. Over here, they explain why you should promote us. They have an 11% conversion rate. That we sell fantastic products and our customers love us. So this is your commission structure. When the person first comes in, they'll get you a front-end offer, and then you make the commission on that, $37. But what's the good part about this company I see is what they do is upsells. So you not only do you make commission on the front end, but also later on, if they buy bigger products, you still carry on making commission. So on the first upsell, you make 30, here 39, and on the third 49. So if we got here 37, 60, 90, you're looking at around $130, $140 over here. This is their little proof of conversions that they have their 11%. Here you can grab some affiliate links from them that are actually working quite well for them. But this is where you really want to get to, the stuff that helps you promote. So say you want to create web banners. You come here, you take one of these, and you just use it. They've already made everything for you over here. You can use these as small adverts. You can use these as a click-on button on the side of a blog, which I'll explain to you later. You have some product images here that you can throw into an advert, or if you're making the reviews on Instagram or YouTube, which I'll explain to you later. And this is also really important information. Let's say you want to do Facebook advertising or Google advertising. This is a paid traffic. So what they do is they ask you to show what audience you would like to show your ads to. So what they've done here is they've already broken it down for you for what's actually working already. So as you can see here, gender 95% male, 20% female, age group between 25 and 65, average income 85,000. Facebook, before they used to allow you to input an average income, but they don't do that anymore. You can see if someone owns a home or not. 91% of who buy this product actually own their own home. Here are the countries you can target: United States, Canada, New Zealand, United Kingdom, Australia. These are generally the big 5 countries that you want to promote all your products to. So even on other products that you want to promote, I would keep those the same. Different industries to look at. So when you targeting people, you want to get specific, and you can look up stuff that they're interested, like on Facebook, people have their interests. People who are interested in woodworking, DIY, home improvement, survival would be the main interests to focus on. And then if you want to do some split testing on additional interests, you can go into woodworking tools, woodworking guide, rapid tools. Also here, what they give to you is add keywords. So what keywords are is to help people find your product. So somebody types in woodworking, it'll bring up your woodworking advert, or somebody types in do it yourself, it can bring up your woodworking advert. So here they give you some keywords that have converted really well. A lot of companies don't give this to you, and you have to use other methods to get the keywords, Google search and a whole bunch of other things. But luckily they give you everything here that you can put these into your ad, and then people can help to search it. They give you email templates. So this is just using get response. So with email templates, normally when people go up to your website, if you create a website later on, which I'll explain to you, what happens is you ask people to enter their email address. That email will be sent to your email address, like get response, and then you start building an email list. So when you build the email list, you can send products to people in the future instead of having to do your paid advertising or advertise again on TikTok or YouTube, because you already have them in your email list. And then you can offer them more products. And because they have bought from you before, and if they like the product, they're more likely to buy from you again. So they'll also offer you more autoresponder templates over here. So, but let's carry on. So we've seen this is a really good affiliate program. They have a lot of stuff to offer us. So what we need to do now is click on promote. It'll bring you over to here. And then you earn a 75% commission for every customer you refer to this product. 75% is quite high. It's really a good amount of money. So when you sign up, you're going to get an account nickname. You can put a tracking ID if you want, and then you're going to click generate hop link. Then after, when you promote the product, this is the link that you're going to connect to it. So when people go through that link to the company and buy something, you're going to get paid. So now that you have you've signed up to CLICKBANK, and now you want to promote your link. There are 2 different ways to do this. You get free ways to do it and the paid ways to do it. Today we're going to speak about the free ways. The paid ways also I need to do in a separate video because it's a more intensive training. So what's the first thing you can do? Create a review page on YouTube. YouTube is absolutely free to upload videos. All you need to do is get the products. Say you get some pictures like from their affiliate websites. You go look on, maybe other people have made reviews already, get some information about the products. You make a YouTube video saying, hey, check out this product. This is good. It does this for you. This is what you can get. This is how much it can cost. if you really like this product and would like to do something with it, click the link below and go to buy it. Then when they click, they go through to the website and then you make money from them. As you can see here, he has lots of videos about different things. If we look over here, 15 best Christmas decorations. He has here 12 amazing products from AliExpress. He has a whole bunch of different videos making reviews. And then all he does is, so this one was 10 top ranking products on Amazon and AliExpress, but you would always be using ClickBank, or if you wanted to sign up for Amazon and AliExpress as well, you could do it. Then here, so number 1, the pocket notebooks, and then he has his affiliate link here. Battle RC tank, then he has his affiliate link here. And then when somebody clicks on any of those links, it goes over, they buy something, he makes money. But there's also a bonus for making a YouTube channel. So with YouTube, once you've reached a certain amount of views and subscribers, so 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, YouTube starts to pay you, and also you get Google AdSense, which you can add onto your account. So not only is he making money from the ClickBank or the AliExpress or Amazon for affiliate marketing, he's making money from YouTube. If you look over here, this is his YouTube channel. He's making between 145 and 2,000 pounds per month with an estimated yearly earning of 27,000 pounds. That's just extra money in his back pocket. Most of his money is going to be coming from ClickBank. As you can see here, 891,000 views in the past 30 days. What you need to sell to 1% of those people, and this is where your money is coming in. Another free way of doing this is through Facebook groups. You go onto Facebook, create your own group, and then you start posting reviews inside of it. Then you can invite people to come. You can open it up to the public so more people come inside. There's only one small issue when it comes to Facebook, is they don't like it when you put affiliate links directly into Facebook. So what you need to do is you need to create a small website. You can do this on Wix or GoDaddy. You create a small domain for yourself. I think it costs $20 for the year. And you make a small little website. And then you click them from Facebook. You say to them, this is the product, the laptop or whatever you're offering. Give you a review and you say, hey, click the link to my website where you can where you can get more information and go to buy the product. Then they'll go to the website, they click on the link, and then it goes over to or ClickBank or Amazon or wherever you want it to go, and then you make your commission. Another way to do it is through Instagram. As you can see here, Jenny's Beauty Reviews. What she does is she gets the product, puts a picture on it, puts a caption underneath, hey, this is the product, hashtags, whatever she wants, and then she shows it to her followers. Then when someone clicks on it, there should be a link underneath, or what you can do is create a link tree over here with all your different products, and you can say, hey, you can find this product in the link tree, or you can find it on my website. You can link it back to your website like you did in Facebook if you want. But what's a really good thing about Instagram? So with the stories, when you reach 10,000 followers, they give you a swipe up option. So what you can do is you can make a video in your story and say, on your phone, you can pick it up. You say, hey, I have the new Acer laptop for review. If you want to check it out, swipe up. And then swipe up and then links straight over to Acer and you get your money. Another way to do this is through blogging. A lot of people are starting up blogs these days because they like writing. So this might take a little bit of extra time because you need to build a following on your blog. But let's say you do investing. You click over here, you create your blog, maybe you post once or twice a day. Once you start getting a bit of following, you can say, hey, we're going to speak about this product today in the blog. And then at the end, you leave a link and people can click on that link and then go over to your product and they also can buy it. Remember when we saw the banners back on the Woodies over here? If you look up here, these banners. So if you wanted to do a paid way of doing this, you can find somebody's blog who's already big. It'll cost you a little bit to put the banner on, but as you can see here, look at this banner over here. You could do something similar. You can find a blog about woodworking and you can pay for them to put it onto your thing. So remember in the beginning of the video, when I told you I'd show you a bonus extra at the end of the video of how you can take this and actually scale it and build it into your very own business. Look, I started out the same as this with these small links on ClickBank, Max Bounty, these kind of things. But these products, They give you because the product price is so low, you get small commissions. Look, yes, you are still making money, but if you really want to start making serious money, you need to evolve yourself into high ticket affiliate marketing. So, what is high ticket affiliate marketing? High ticket affiliate marketing is higher price, higher commissions. There are companies out there that sell some products for $3, $4, $5,000, and you're getting a 30 or 40% commission. So what are you taking? 1,000, 1,500 on the sale of one product. And the thing is, it takes just as much effort to sell those small products as it does the big products. However, if you wanted to make $1,000 off of ClickBank, you have to sell a lot of products. Where at the high ticket affiliate marketing, you could sell maybe one or two products and you're making $2,000 or $3,000 every single month. That sounds pretty good to me. But when I wanted to do this, I was a bit lost. I didn't know where to go. I didn't know where to begin. And it wasn't until I partnered with the right people that actually showed me step by step how I could take affiliate marketing and create a business. Not that didn't bring in small amounts of money every now and then to constant money where I'm actually making an income and turn this into a future for myself and my family. So what I did is I was looking around and I found about this company. As you can see, their website's over here. What I'll do is I'll leave a link below this video, which is my #1 way to make money online. And I'll go over to a small video by me, and then it's going to take you over to here. So what this is called the 15-day challenge. It costs $7 to enroll into this, but the amount of information you're going to get from it is amazing. So what you learn is on each day, you get a 1-hour video. So day 1 is 50 minutes and then the rest average about an hour. And each one is a different training course on how you will turn affiliate marketing into a business, how to turn high ticket affiliate marketing into a business for yourself. Day 1, you learn the #1 secrets to build a high ticket, high profit business online. Day 2 is the core 4 business models. Day 3, what you do is you set up a call with a business advisor. Over here, this is completely free, no extra charge. Schedule your one-on-one business call with your business plan advisor, and they're going to help you through the 15-day challenge step by step. Any questions you have, they are there for you to answer. They offer you some other programs that you can do, which you can speed up the process to build up your business, but you can make money just by doing these 15 days, and really it costs just $7. And there are a lot of people who have just done the 15 days and started their business. But there are other people out there who wanted to streamline the process. I did it myself. And what it does is they show you everything you need to know. Every program, every step. They give you email templates. They give you ads. They give you websites. They give you landing pages. They give you free live training. They give you absolutely everything that you will need to do with affiliate marketing. It's a really amazing program. If this is something you would like to do, create your own business, be your own boss, get out of that 9 to 5, click that link below because I really think it will change your life. If you like this video today, drop a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. I'll notify you every single time I make a new video. If you have a question about anything we've done today or something about that you want to make a future video on, comment down below. Have an awesome day.